This is a supplemental video for the Foundations of Algebra series. I wanted just to remind you about the order of operations. We're going to be using the order of operations a lot this year. Order of operations refers to what order we do operations in an expression or an equation. And it works like this. P, E, M, D, A, S. You've heard of PEMDAS before. I write it like this for a very specific reason. The P stands for parentheses. Okay, so anytime you have a grouping symbol of any kind, whether it's parentheses, whether it's square brackets, sometimes we'll get these. Any of these grouping symbols, those are always done first. E stands for exponents. So if we've watched the parts of powers video, or you know what exponents are, those are the superscript numbers that go above things. So for instance, in the form of x squared, the 2 there is the exponent. So that would go next. Down here is where people often get confused, because in the past you've seen it as P, E, M, D afterwards, A, and then S afterwards, which implies the order that multiplication comes before division or that addition comes before subtraction. I put them on the same line because it actually matters which way they are left to right in the expression. So in the expression 3 divided by 3 times 3, you would actually do 3 divided by 3 first, which is 1, times 3, which is 3. Otherwise, if you were to do this improperly, you would do 3 times 3 first, which is 9. 3 divided by 9 is 1/3, which is not correct. So even though division comes after the M, the D in PEMDAS, the division in this expression here actually comes first. Likewise with addition and subtraction. If you have 3 minus 2 plus 7, if you do the 3 minus 2 first, you get 1 plus 7, which is 8, and that's correct. If you were to only do the addition first, which would be incorrect, you'd get 9, and 3 minus 9 is negative 6. So you want to make sure that when you're doing order of operations, grouping symbols or parentheses and exponents do come first, but then multiplication and division happen in order from left to right, and addition, subtraction happen in order from left to right.